This is how to fix. You cannot use this feature right now on your Facebook. So let's get into it and fix this error. So first of all, you must know the reason of this problem, and the reason is to simply close all the limits of the Facebook. Anyhow, let me show you how to fix this problem. First of all, you just need to open your Facebook and log into your account, and then click on the three lines at the top right corner in order to open the menu. So at this interface, you have to just scroll all the way down and then click on help and support. And now click on report a problem, and here you have to just click on report problem again. Now click on include in report, and here just select for friend request as this error is related to the friend request. So once you select this option, you will be here at this interface. So here you have to just simply make a short description about your error. Like you can copy these words that Facebook team, I am facing the problem that you cannot use this feature right now on your Facebook. So please help me to fix this error. And right after that, you have to just upload the screenshot of your problem and then click on the send. And after submitting this report within 24 hours, your problem will be fixed and you will be back to your Facebook account without this error. So that's all for this video. I hope this video was a big help for you. Thanks for watching.